Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. She is a boss, but she is not bossy. She is the only boss. She always get it done like a boss. Now, let's get it done like a boss.
Got so tired of waiting. Got tired of the chase. I've been feeling.
A neutral living room is everything. As you guys know already, I never keep my decor for too long. Now, let's get it done like a boss, baby.
From a different star, flying over streets and the broken hearts. But they can even turn.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, salam alaikum, buenos dias, mabuhay kijanouye, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hey you guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Linda. On my channel I post tons of home decor, a little bit of cooking and cleaning. Please consider subscribing before I leave. I would love to be part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much for stopping by. Coucou la famille, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je me présente, je m'appelle Linda. Si c'est votre première fois ici, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner, liker, partager et d'activer la cloche de notification pour ne pas manquer aucune de mes vidéos et de me laisser un petit commentaire. Merci. Si c'est la première fois que vous tombez sur cette chaîne là, bienvenue ou la caillou, moi et Linda. Pas oublier abonner, quitter un commentaire et partager avec vos amis. Now, let's get it done like a boss.
We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we're holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of.
To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back. I truly appreciate your love and support. Your comment and liking are truly appreciative. May the Lord continue to bless each and every single one of you. I am honored. Thank you guys so much. Yes, she is a boss.
Hold us down, break all the rules, slip them running high, baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're dynamite. Can't feel it, can't feel it, can't feel it. And we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody
I have a lot of questions about my furniture. Why they always stay clean and how I take care of them. In today's video, I am going to share with you my ideas. First of all, guys, I use my vacuum to vacuum the sofa. When I am done with the vacuum, go ahead and use OxyClean Max Force. If you have any stain, just to remove the stain. If not, keep going. And after, I use my steamer. That steamer is very powerful from TJ Maxx for $19.99. When I am done with the steamer, go ahead and use my Lysol just to kill any germs. And then that's it. This is the only way I take care of my furniture. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now, keep on watching. This sofa is from Wayfair. As you guys can see, still new, okay, and very comfortable. This is the way I take care of my furniture. Not only the sofa, the accent chairs, the bench, everything, I did the same thing, okay?
shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. No one can break me, no one can bring me down. I wanna be where I'm safe and sound. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Oh, oh, oh. I wanna stay wide open. Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day.
Okay guys, the work is from Inspire Me from Decor, and the link will be in my description box down below for you guys.
Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right.
You guys always wondering why I use alcohol to clean the coffee table and the tap is marble. That's fine. As you can see, the coffee table is very shiny when I use alcohol. When I use alcohol to clean the mirror, everything turns so shiny. So that's why I keep using alcohol. Okay.
Lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Oh, oh, oh. I wanna stay wide open. 가을에 끝자락에 태어나 시린 눈 속에 피어난 I'm a snowflower. 찬바람 몰아치는 밤에도 잠을 잊은 채 하늘을 바라봤던 향기에 속지 마요. 착하기만 한 건 아니에요. 날카로운 가신 장난이 맘대 커다란 지구라는 섬 위에 살아가는 건 끝없는 paradise. 모두가 부정하려고 해도 눈물 훔치고 꽃잎을 펼쳐내걸. 향기에 속지 마요. 착하기만 한 건 아니에요. 날카로운 가신 장난이 맘대 사실은 조금만 기다렸는지 몰라. 그대가 손을 뻗어주기를. 기나긴 기다림이라는 터널 끝에 Stay, stay. 내게 강하기만 한 건 아니에요. 날카로운 날개 속에 맘을 만대 강하기만 한 건 아니에요. 날카로운 날개 속에 맘을 만대 가을에 끝자락에 태어나 시린 눈 속에 피어난 I'm a snowflower.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time in the next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine. Malé, peace out.